welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dani and this is Coffee Break with Dani, where we get to unbox our summer 2021 FabFitFun box. I'm just gonna get into the best part of today's video. If you guys haven't tried FabFitFun and you want to try it out, now is the time to do so, because if you use my $10 off discount code CoffeeDani, you will be saving $10 and FabFitFun will be donating $10 to Make-A-Wish Foundation, which I think is kind of awesome. So if you've always been curious to try FabFitFun and you haven't pulled the trigger, now is your opportunity to not only save $10, but also have FabFitFun donate $10 to a really beautiful cause. So I'm kind of here for it. Honestly, I'm here for the philanthropic causes that FabFitFun supports. Y'all, FabFitFun got me on the full-size products, but I keep coming back for like the amazing foundations they support. They've partnered up with so many different foundations. Members of FabFitFun have donated over $1 million to beautiful and wonderful causes. This month, or this season, we're working with Make-A-Wish Foundation, which is awesome. So one box at a time, you guys are actually helping make a difference. Their boxes now are 100% completely recyclable. The filler that's in them. Right now, FabFitFun is slowly starting to implement this standard where they're eliminating all products that have harmful or toxic ingredients in them, or rather implementing or including products that are better for us and don't have certain chemicals in them, which is kind of nice. But you guys are here to see what's in the box, and I'm going to show you actually what's in the box. If you guys have been curious to try FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription service that is available in the US, Canada, and the UK, and it comes with all full-size products, anywhere from beauty, fitness, fashion. I mean, it has all of our, I have scissors now. I don't know if you guys know this, but I have scissors now, which is kind of amazing. Yeah, so all full-size products, seasonal. If you guys become a FabFitFun member, you can customize your box completely. So instead of just like buying the one box like for one season, but if you actually become a member, you are in complete control of everything that goes in here. I mean, you get to pick everything. I made my selections a while ago, so I honestly don't remember what's in here, and we're about to find out together. So let's do it. Recyclable, recyclable, recyclable. So the first thing that I see here is from Dunn, and I'm pretty sure this is like a little salsa jar. So maybe I was thinking about, you know, grilling out in the backyard and having a really cute set where we could put some salsa and guac. You guys know we love to cook out. We love to cook, period. And so servingware, I think that's one of those things, you know, like you get older and it's like, yeah, sunscreen is sexy. You know what else is sexy? Sleeping with socks on. You know what else is cool? Dishware. Why can't I open this? I make a bad joke and then it's like, delay, no one's laughing. Well, at least it's safe to say that your stuff isn't gonna break in transit because it's very safely packaged. So this little set is from Dunn, and it comes with, isn't that cute? Salsa and guac. Wait for it. Wait for it. It comes with cute little spoons. Look at that. I mean, would you come to like a taco party if I put these out? They have a little panda party and we can make tacos, and you guys could scoop your guac into your taco. Would you do that? Sometimes, you guys, one product, like the value of one product in your box is already the cost of the entire box. It's kind of crazy. You know what I wish they would do though? I mean, it's a seasonal box, so you only get it 4 times a year. Like, what if you make it like 6 times a year? Or like, what if you make it like a monthly? So, okay, that's a little much. So the unseen sunscreen, I intentionally clicked so hard on this because I was like, you better not run out. Like, I need this. I knew I was gonna get this in my FabFitFun, so I didn't get it when Sephora did its VIB sale. This is a full-size sunscreen from Supergoop. What? This is a really cool brand that you see at popular stores like Sephora or Nordstrom. It's an SPF 40. This is a chemical sunscreen, but it is a clear gel. So on those days where like you're like, you know what, I want to look fly as heck. I don't want any flashback. I don't want that white cast that some mineral sunscreens give me, and I want to do a full face of makeup, or I want to look fly at the pool or whatever. That's the sunscreen you're going to go with. It's a chemical base, it's a clear gel, and it's completely invisible. It's kind of magic. I still remember how excited I was when I saw that that was one of the selections. I was like, is this a joke? Is like Ashton Kutcher gonna jump out right now and be like, pranked ya? Wait, punked? You got punked? You know what I mean. Totally showed my age, but we're just gonna go with it. Sometimes FabFitFun includes free samples or coupons. Right now we got a liquid IV sampler pack with 3 flavors in it and a HelloFresh coupon. Moving on to this cuteness. How cute is this? This is an ice mold, but it's pineapple shapes. That would be so cute this summer with like cocktails or something. Anyone else instantly think of what would Lizzie do when you see pineapples? No? Just me? No, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of you that are still watching YouTube that are like, yep, what would Lizzie do? So a fun ice mold is always a cool thing for if you have kids and you let them play with Play-Doh. That's actually a really easy mold to use for their little hands to be able to pop stuff out instead of digging it out in like actual Play-Doh molds. So that's one option you could do with it. Another thing you could do with it is if you do like iced teas or flavored teas, you could freeze tea in those, and then your tea doesn't get watered down when you want to chill it. You could also do regular ice cubes for like fancy cocktails. Or another pro tip, and you don't need a cute mold for what I'm about to tell you, but the cute mold just helps, especially if you're gonna do it like at a party and it looks cute, is you pre-make cocktails, like, I don't know, 10 times the recipe, and you freeze it, and then at the party you blend it, and they're blended drinks. You're welcome. All right, moving on. We got a replenishing rapid recovery after sun gel enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide. This is a moisturizing after sun gel. If you guys haven't seen my monthly favorites, you'll be seeing it quite soon actually here on the channel. And I was talking about how much time we're spending outside, how much sun we're getting, and how great we feel, but the precautions that we need to take when we're outside. So when I saw that this was one of the selections, I made it because there is never there's never enough after sun care at the house, whether it's the littles, the girls, Parker, all of us always need after sun care, and so options are always nice. I prefer to use like a cream base after sun care. The kids prefer to use a gel base, so I thought this would be a good option. I wonder if it smells good. It looks cool. I love the packaging. Oh, it smells really good. You know what it smells like? Like a lime cocktail. Why are cocktails on my mind right now? Am I totally just, yeah, let's just go with it. I also got a Sensual's facial serum in the vitamin C variety. This is a cruelty-free brand, and I'm always a fan of vitamin C serums. I am very cognizant of using sun protection. I use it every day, and I think vitamin C serums are very expensive. They're hard to find. The really good ones are hard to find. The good concentrations are hard to find. You find them, and sometimes they don't even come in proper packaging. I don't know if you guys know that, but vitamin C really shouldn't be exposed to any sort of bright lights or sunlight or extreme temperatures, really hot, really cold. And so when I saw the packaging on this one, like the little vial, I was like, oh, okay. All right, I see what you're doing, Sensuals. Doing the right thing, huh? Oh boy, that smells really good. Definitely gonna use that. I can never turn down a vitamin C serum. I think just like sun protection, just like tinted lip balms and maybe vitamin C serums, they're like things I really enjoy. It's weird. What do you really enjoy? Like, what's a random beauty product that you're like, dude, Dani, I can't turn down an eyelash curler. Like, what's yours? Please help me feel normal. Then we got a lip mask from Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Fruit Butter Lip Mask. Oh, let's see. I don't remember picking this, but again, I don't remember what I ate this morning, so. Intensive overnight lip mask that envelops the lips with shea butter. Oh, wow. Beast mode engaged. Apricot kernel oil, shea butter to help deliver intense hydration, softness, and elasticity. It's vegan. All right. How about we just put some on right now? Right? Like, that's what we're here for. I wonder if it's gonna be like the agave lip mask. I am in the minority that thinks the agave lip mask is very, very uncomfortable. There's a reason why it's a lip mask. Ooh! I'm double dipping. It smells good. Okay, I went overboard. More is more. My gosh. That smells so good. Maybe I shouldn't be tasting it, but wow, I really like that. I would never know if I would use this as a lip mask. I would probably just carry it around in my purse or in my nightstand and just put it on whenever I thought about it. So the vegan formula gently melts into the skin, rescuing it from early signs of fine lines, imparting a rich, dewy finish. It definitely felt like it melted into my lips. Like it started off thicker and then it just kind of turned into almost like a thicker gloss. Kind of digging it. I've never heard of this brand before. Seraphine Botanicals. Cruelty-free and vegan. Oh, it's from the UK. I've been piqued into wanting to try other products from this brand. And if anything, that's one thing that FabFitFun does, is it exposes you to brands you may have not heard of or you normally wouldn't pay for because they're a little bit out of budget. You know what I mean? Then we... Shut up, okay? I'm excited about this, okay? This was a bundle with the ice, with the ice tray. You know, finding a good juicer is hard. So when I saw this was an option, I was like, I'm willing to try. And I love that it's plastic. It's 100% plastic, so it's completely dishwasher safe. You could totally throw it in there. Easy to wash. And it's a citrus squeezer, so you could get a small orange in here, a lime, a lemon. Pretty good, right? The color's kind of fun as well. Listen, are you guys like me where you get excited about stuff like this? No? I saved the best for last. I also saved it for last because it was at the bottom of the box. But you guys are not ready for the cuteness that is this bag. Are you guys ready for the cutest summer tote from Somersault? If you haven't heard of Somersault before, it is kind of a bougie brand, y'all. It is a really cute brand. They have really cute pajamas and like loungewear, but it's a little pricey. So when I saw that this was one of the selections, I was torn. I need another beach tote like I need another hole in my head. Well, not another, because that would mean I have one already. You know what I'm trying to say. But look at this. It has that like scuba material. Isn't that cool? It's big enough, but it's not a monstrosity. Look at the inside. It has a cool little mesh bag. Let's see, I'll open that for you guys. So it has a little mesh bag, but it's breathable, so you could put like your phone and stuff in there. It's not gonna be like overheating in the summer. It has a magnetic closure. And it's also, like I said, it's big enough, but it's not a monstrosity. Have you guys ever seen those like beach totes that are just like obnoxious, like you need help carrying it? It's like, okay, in that case, just carry a suitcase. You know what I mean? But for me, when I'm looking for a good tote bag, I want it to be wipeable, preferably washable, but if it's wipeable, that's good enough for me. I need it to be tote handbag size friendly so that it doesn't drown me. I'm almost 6 feet tall, so I could carry a pretty big bag, but I don't want it to look almost awkward. And I also want something that can dupe for a beach bag, a pool bag, or just a purse. Like if I need to run out in a hurry and I just need to throw out the towels that are in there, it's still gonna look cute like a handbag. And this has a really cool, like, Tory Burch tote vibe to it. I could totally see myself carrying the heck out of this bag for spring and summer. Plus I love the colors. I am in the minority that loves pink and red together. I know it's like a fashion faux pas or it's like an extreme fashion decision. Like, do you wear pink and red together or are you anti-pink and red together? What team are you? Let us know in the comment section below. But that is it for my summer 2021 FabFitFun box unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said at the beginning of this video, y'all, Make-A-Wish foundation. So if you guys want to try FabFitFun and you use my discount code CoffeeDani, you will get $10 off your first box and Make-A-Wish will get $10 as well. The code is not an affiliate code, so by you using that code, I'm not making a cent, but you are actually contributing to a really, really beautiful cause, which I find kind of exciting. If you guys use my personalized $10 code and you buy a FabFitFun subscription, let me know in the comment section below, because I would personally love to thank you and leave you guys a little love note in the comments as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel and for being so supportive. Anything and everything that you saw in this video, including my jewelry and my shirt, will be listed and linked in the description box below. But like I said, if you guys have been on the fence to try FabFitFun, I think now is the time to do so. This is like a special message sent to you from Destiny. This is like a serendipitous moment. If you've been curious, do so now. All of the information will be listed in the description box of this video. I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys. Wait for it. Wait for it. Say bye to your friends. Show them how you use that bed so appropriately. You show them how you fit in the bed so good. You guys see? Who's a good boy? Well, we're in the little bed.